Good morning, Dixie Doodles. Happy Wednesday. How's your day going? This is her Aflac. She bit off the eyes. Sorry. He's been up there for a long time. I heard her muscling around in here, so I figured I'd come in here and say hello. Want to come out? Mom's got like 10 minutes and then she's got to go get ready for work. It's kind of early. Want to come out? No? All right, well, we're just stopped in to say good morning. Want to whistle? Sing? Any singing? Oh, what was that? A laugh? All right. You have a great day. Love ya.